Are we still not on?
You should be on, Your Honor.
We are on. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Bexar County Court at Law number 6, arraignment docket for Tuesday, January 19th, 2021. At this time, we are looking for State of Texas versus Marquez Simone Harrell and attorney Kirk Sherman. Kirk, are you with us today? Is Kirk still there? He is. Kirk, can you hear me? Your microphone is turned off, Kirk.
Yeah.
There you go.
All right. Can you hear me?
Yep.
Yes.
Are you in contact with your client?
I am.
Have you received the plea bargain offer from the state yet?
Not yet.
State, would you mind conveying to Mr. Sherman the plea bargain offer you may have available from Mr. Harrell?
Yes, Judge. All right, Kirk. It's going to be 1/18, a $500 fine, court costs, 48 hours community service, an APSE course, and a no contact order with Melanie Flores.
And can you send that also to kirksherman@yahoo.com?
I can do that, Kirk.
Thank you for your help.
And Kirk, what we'll do is we'll reset this for a week to give you a chance to get with your client and confer. And obviously you can also talk to the state during that time and then let us know what you need to do ultimately by next week.
Yes, sir.
Pat, can we reset Kirk for our next docket?
Yes, I will send you everything no later than tomorrow morning.
Thank you.
Kirk, you said it was kirk.sherman at
No,
yahoo.com?
kirksherman@yahoo.com.
Okay, gotcha.
No dot.
Okay.
Thank y'all.
All right. Thanks, Kirk.
Thank you.
Next, I have State of Texas versus Stephanie Marie Acosta, cause 618100. And Linda Corley. Is Linda with us today?
Your Honor, I was told by the legal assistant that she was currently in County Court 9, but she also has another one that's supposed to be coming a little later. So she will show up as soon as she's finished.
All right. Thank you.
You're welcome.
This is cause number 554162, State of Texas versus Kenneth Murray Smith, and Ronald Zimmerman should be with us today.
Present, Judge.
And Ron, have you had a chance to confer with the state on this case yet?
Yes, I have, but quite some time ago, so probably wouldn't be, would probably be a good idea for me to reconfer with them.
State, would you go ahead and convey your proposed plea bargain offer to Mr. Zimmerman, and then we're going to give him a week to get with you and his client and whoever else and come up with a final decision on what he wants to do with the case.
It's going to be a JSAT, Mr. Zimmerman.
A JSAT? How
Yes,
many
sir.
days on that? Do you know?
I'm not sure.
Okay, I can ask the clerk. Okay, well, I'll take it to my client.
Okay. Pat, do you know what date we're going to reset this for yet? Are you
The
going
26th of January at 2:00. Now, Mr. Zimmerman and whoever, if you confer with your clients and you have a plea, we do our pleas on Thursdays. So if you give me enough time, I can reset it for the next date for the plea, which would be, I guess, the 28th, and you will not have to appear on the 26th. Okay?
Okay, I will give the court notice if my client accepts the plea offer.
Thank you. I just need their email address and then we can do that. Okay?
Okay, I will provide that if he accepts the offer.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
to notice that Mr. Maru's hair is getting shorter and Mr. Zimmerman's hair is getting longer as time goes by?
Well, actually, Judge, it's been almost a year since I've had it cut, but I am getting it cut this weekend because I can't stand it anymore. My wife has been complaining. My sisters have been complaining. So I'm going to get rid of it. So,
All right. Nice talking to you. Take care.
all right.
Next case we have State of Texas versus Samantha Lee Lopez, 113-1818. Sounds too long. And Abel Dominguez should be with us today. Abel, are you out there?
He is not, Your Honor, and I don't have his cell because I was texting the two attorneys that we were missing.
Okay.
So,
I have his cell. I'll give it to you after we finish up.
thank you, Your Honor.
State of Texas, or rather, call number 889941, State of Texas versus Raul Francisco, I'm guessing Rodriguez, and Andrew Froelich we get to. Andrew, have you had a chance to confer on this case yet?
With the prosecutors, yes, I think so.
Okay. Do you need to hear the plea bargain offer again?
No.
All right. Do you know what you want to do yet?
When I talk to my client, I will know what we're going to do.
Good plan. Pat, reset Andrew for next week and I'll give him time to get it figured out. Once you figure it out, call Pat, please.
Of course.
Thank you,
All
sir.
right, thanks, sir. Next one I have is called 1133288, State of Texas versus Jacob Matthias Obert, it looks like, and Ivan Barrera should be with us today. Ivan, are you there?
I'm here, Judge.
There you are. Ivan, have you had a chance to confer on this case yet?
Yes, Judge. I already conferred with Nick. My client will be applying to Veterans Court.
Wonderful. So Pat, you can go put it in that little basket. Has he already talked to has he been interviewed yet, Ivan?
I just talked to Mr. Whitmore
Okay, great.
on Monday, and he's going to contact him this week.
You're on it. Thanks very much.
Thank you, Judge.
And next case I've got is called 1134219, State of Texas versus Ricardo Marquez Wilson. And Daniel Garcia should be with us today.
Present, Your Honor.
And Danny, have you had a chance to confer with the state on this case yet?
I have, Your Honor. I have not spoken with my client about the offer yet.
Do so if you would, please, at your ability, and we'll reset it for a week. And if you find out what you want to do before then, just call Pat and let her know.
I will do so, Your Honor.
Thanks much. Next case, cause 886-522, State of Texas versus Brady Maddox. And Derek Emmons is with us today.
Good afternoon, Judge.
Derek, have you had a chance, or Derek rather, have you had a chance to confer on this case yet with the state?
I have not, no, Judge.
State, would you please confer your proposed plea bargain offer to Mr. Emmons, and then we'll reset him for a week to get a chance to talk to his client about it.
Yes, Judge. It's going to be 1/1, a $400 fine, court costs, 40 hours community service, an APSE course, a dope course, a gun safety class, and a motion to forfeit the weapon and weekly urinalysis.
And if y'all work something out with the state's permission, I'm going to award the weapon, whatever it is, to you as additional attorney's fees in lieu of destroying it if it's a decent weapon. I don't know what it is, obviously.
No, it's a pretty good gun, Judge.
It's a SIG 45, Judge.
Is it what now?
It's a SIG 45.
Oh my, it's $1,000 gun probably. Anyway, that's my plan.
Okay. Judge, I'll reach out to the prosecutors to confer further as well before we get the next setting.
Yep, you have to call the DA after our docket's over today sometime, and he'll be happy to chat with you.
I'll do that.
Unless there are two of you and y'all want to split up, Nick, I don't know how you're doing it.
We could do that.
Let's throw Alexis to the wolves and let her go in the breakout room with Derek.
Yeah, that's fine, Judge. Pat, can you put Alexis in a breakout room and I'll stay out here?
Of course. Room 1, everybody. Okay, y'all should be able to go.
Okay. And next case I've got is called 112-7502, Juan Edgardo Portillo. And that once again is Linda Corley, who I guess is still on another court. Is that our understanding?
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Mr. Edmonds, you should, there we go.
The rest of these are 2:30 cases. Do we have anybody here early?
I've got, I don't know, I need to know who is the Galaxy S9. Mr. Benvenu is here. He's on there, Your Honor. It would be, let's see what page he's in. He is in page 4, the very top, Your Honor.
Got it. I've got cause number 794197, State of Texas versus Art Villarreal, and attorney Michael Bellevue. And Michael's with us today. Mike, have you had a chance to confer with the state on this case yet?
I have not, Judge. I just got appointed last week on this, and I just talked with my client. I've actually talked to the state on the felony side because he's on felony probation, but I have not talked to the state here yet.
Who are we talking about, Judge?
What felony is Mr. Villarreal charged with at this time?
Well, he's on probation for a credit card abuse.
Okay.
the state really does not want to file an MTR just because of this. So they were talking to me about that to see how we can resolve it.
Nick, are you aware there's a felony on this case, or he's on felony probation, I guess, on another case?
Is this Art Villarreal? Is that who we're talking about?
Correct.
I was just going to go forward with a JSAT, but I don't know if that's going to screw up his probation.
It might screw up getting his license back. That's the problem.
Yeah, this is an enhanced, but he must have been convicted in another county because I couldn't find it in Bear County where he had the driver's license conviction, driving without a license first.
Okay.
Mike, we're gonna reset you for a week, and that'll give you a chance to talk to the felony prosecutors, and then back again with Mr. Maru, if you would like, and you try to figure out a way to make it the least dangerous to your client, I guess. And
If felony tells me to get rid of it, sir, I'll get rid of it. I mean, that's the bottom line.
Okay, Pat, we're gonna reset this so Mike has time to chat with everybody.
Of course, Your Honor.
Thanks, Mike.
Thank you, Judge.
Okay, I need to know who Galaxy S9 is. It looks like they're trying to connect the audio.
Galaxy 5 or S9, it looks like. Galaxy S9.
They're trying to connect the audio, it looks like.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, who is Galaxy S9? Who are you? Okay.
Young lady with the code name Galaxy S9. Who are you, please? Attorney or defendant? Must not be able to hear us.
Now, Mr. Herrera is a defendant that was set last week with I can't pronounce his last name.
Sakanowitz?
Yeah. So he's probably waiting for them.
Okay, we have to wait for Les to get
Yeah.
back.
Yes.
Derek's back.
I am, Judge.
Les is back. This is back on cause number 886522, State of Texas versus Brady Maddox. What'd y'all determine, Mr. Emmons?
Judge, with your permission, I'm going to reach out to Alexa to do 12 o'clock and 1 o'clock tomorrow. As I mentioned, I'm in the airport up in Dallas right now. So I'm logging in right before I have to jump on the plane back to San Antonio. So tomorrow I'll have his file in front of me. We'll be able to confer. I don't know when the next court date will be, so I was wanting to try and get that from the court if I can before I log off.
It'd probably be for January 26th at 2, a regular docket at that time. That should give you a little more time to confer.
That'll be fine. We'll definitely will be conferring tomorrow.
And I'll send that, like I said, either later today or first thing tomorrow morning.
So January 26th at 2 o'clock.
Yes. Thank you,
Okay.
Mr. Evans.
Thanks, Pat. Judge may be excused.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
All right. Thank you.
Okay, we're waiting on the 2:30 docket.
Okay. And again, I'd like to know who Galaxy S9 is. You're muted.
Marisol Suarez.
Okay, Ms. Suarez, so you're waiting for your attorney?
Yes.
Okay, all right. I just want to make sure and check you in, that's why.
Okay.
She's at 2:30 as well. So we're just waiting for the 2:30 people.
Good news, Nick. Alexis didn't beat up the defense counsel too bad. I saw no marks on him.
Nothing really happened, Judge. I was kind of, I don't know. That was weird. I don't really know what happened right there.
Mr. Herrera, we're just waiting for your attorney to show up and we'll get you out of here, sir.
All right, thank you.
They're not due for another 6 minutes, so we're all good. Pat, your timing is working well on these cases. You know, the number of cases you have set for 30 minutes.
I think we could fit in more.
Whatever you think, move up a couple or something, whatever you want to do.
I think we can move up more. So I set 12 this time for each 30 minutes. But again, by the time we have 8 pleas.
Oh, great. Super.
6 of them out of this docket. So, I mean, that's why I'm saying I think we could I could probably do 35.
Okay with the DAs. It's okay with me.
That's fine, Judge.
Hey, I know the other courts, are doing 90. They're doing a lot more. So I just think, we've got until 5 o'clock. So we could bring people in and at least give them the offers and see how that goes. So I'm glad. We are on YouTube. I can take us off right now and wait until they come in.
Okay.
Thank you.